Angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous knowing we got something so wild. It will be ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, we're in sanctuary. Try to be what you got, will love return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous knowing we got.
Hi pa, happy birthday papa. Wish ko good health and sana matagal pa tayo magsama. I love you. Bye.
Happy 80th birthday, Tito Willie. We miss you here. Kailan ka babalik? I hope all is well. We're wishing you good health and always be happy. We miss you here in the Philippines. And, you know naman, I will always be there for you anytime. Love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tito Willie! So, dito sa Bukot, kakauwi lang namin.
Happy birthday, my bro, my love.
Dito, palakas ka, ngayong 80 years old ka na. Gusto ko sabihin na bata ka pa rin. Dito, you're still strong. Alam mo yan, deep down dito. And we cannot wait to see you when you get back dito. Labas tayo nila mama. Tapos, ingat ka lagi, Tito. We love you so much and we miss you.
Hi, Willie. Happy 80th birthday. I miss you and alam mo na mahal kita. Okay? Take care of your health. At saka, sabi mo nga, di ba, more health, more wealth. Sa'yo ko ibabalik ngayon sa iyo.
Back to you, Tito.
Back to you.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Tito Willie! Happy birthday, Tito Willie!
Happy birthday, Tol! May God bless you with more good health, peace, love, and happiness.
Have a good day!
Enjoy your birthday.
We love you!
We
Stay
love
blessed!
you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tito Willie.
Hi, Tito Willie. Happy birthday. We love and miss you so much.
Hi, Tito Willie. Happy 80th birthday. Stay strong, stay healthy. Alam ko, sharp na sharp pa yung memory mo. And I just want you to know na miss ka na namin dito. I hope someday makauwi ka or kami naman makapasyal dyan, di ba? Malay mo naman. And always think of positive things. I think that is indeed key to a healthier life and longevity. And blessing na blessing talaga, Tito, if you reach 80. And I think you're one of those people who are lucky. Love ka ni Lord. Anyway, wishing you'll enjoy your birthday today. Celebrate natin yan. And miss ka na namin dito, Tito. We love you so much. Happy birthday. Bye!